Good morning, student. Today's topic is past adjustment or adjustment of closed account. Usual mistakes that take place while preparation of accounting, especially in partnership account, is interest on capital is omitted, interest on drawing is omitted, salary commission to the partner which is to be paid is omitted, error in profit sharing, change in PSR with retrospective effect may be omitted. So how we will adjust the account and pass the adjustment entry, today we will see to that. Let us take an example here. Question 1 I have taken. XYZ are partner, profit sharing ratio and profit sharing ratio is 3 to 1. After the final account has been prepared, it was discovered that interest on drawing at the rate 5% per annum had not taken into consideration. The drawing of partners were X 15,000, Y 12,600 and Z is 12,000. We have to pass adjustment entry. What we will do? We will start like this. Solution. First of all, calculate interest on drawing of X. 15,000 is the amount multiplied by 5 by 100 for the percentage, and as the time is not given, so we will have to charge it for 6 months. So when you will calculate this, you will get 375. Like the same you have to calculate for Y and Z. 12,600 multiplied by 5 by 100 multiplied by 6 by 12, you will get rupees 315. Then for Z, 12,000 multiplied by 5 by 100, then multiplied by 6 by 12, making half of it because time is not given, you will get 12 into 6, 60 divided by 2, 300. These are the amount of drawing. Interest on drawing we had calculated. So here we had prepared the adjustment table, particular number of partners X, Y and Z and total. Interest on drawing, what we had past calculated, is debited to the account of X 375, 315 and 300 respectively. Total amount which is affected is 990. Now this 990 is distributed in the ratio of 3 to 1, which is given in the question. Now 990 we have to adjust in total, and the amount is distributed in the ratio of 3 to 1. When we will distribute this 990 in the ratio of 3 to 1, we will get 400. Yes, we will get 495 for X. Then for Y it's 330, and for Z it's 165. Now we will make adjustment. We will calculate the net effect. You will get 120 here, 15 here and 135 here, and here it's always be 0. The debit and the credit. The credit is bigger, therefore this 120 amount of 120 will be credited in the account. Here once again credit is bigger, it will be credited. Here debit is bigger, so it's debited. Now we will pass the journal entry for the same. Z's capital account will be debited to X capital, to Y's capital account. Put the amount 135, 120 and 15. Here narration adjustment for interest on drawing done. Thank you.